These are little domes that I made of vanilla cake with chocolate caramel mousse. Well, actually, there's a caramel, a salted caramel layer, and then a chocolate mousse layer, and so pink to make it. There you go. And see if any of these, what I can do. Have you done? All right. Need some more over here. Okay, thank you. All right. I see some spots that need some over here. Some pink. I have it. And just close off the whole remainder. I have another 6 to do. And this is starting to get sticky, so that means it's getting too cold. So we're gonna grab the other remaining. Mousses out. We're gonna pop these out first. Right there. Some of them are a little trickier to get out than others, but some of them are pretty easy to get out if you just go easy and slow with it. Sorry. When I get there we go. And the last 2. You know, some of the mousse I know I pushed the cakes in a bit too far. This was my first time making any kind of entremet or mousse thing of any kind. So, it's my first time, so I think it's pretty good for a first time. Now, this time, I'm just gonna do the blue again around most of these. Make sure you should probably go from the back to the front. Don't do as I do. Go from the back to the front. But something like that. See? Okay, so I got all the glaze gone. And I'll stick that in there. And then next, I'm going to do the pink. Just a splash of pink on there. Tiny bit. Okay, and then the next color, the white, which I really love. I think it's just really pretty. It's a really nice addition to add. It just gives it a little bit of class, I think. And gives it that really nice, like, little touches. See, it's getting thick. Getting cool, and pretty soon these will all have a bit of a gelatin shell around them, and I'll clip clip off whatever is hanging off the bottoms. And then it's going to be served with a tempered chocolate shell over it with holes poking into the tempered chocolate shell so that you can see, oops, this side I saw I missed some, so that you can see the mousse cake underneath the entremet. This is Christine from Day by Day, wishing you a wonderful day and telling you that you can do anything, because this is my first time doing this, and they don't look bad. They don't look that bad, and I'm pretty proud of myself. So try something new every day. You can surprise yourself too. Alright, bye.